Welcome to Light Up Intellect. In this video, we'll look at 5 common English grammar mistakes that many people make, and how to fix them easily. Let's get started. After the word did, we always use the base form of the verb, not the past tense. So, instead of didn't went, the correct phrase is didn't go. Taller is already a comparative adjective, so adding more is unnecessary. The correct sentence is, he is taller than me. In English, we don't say having a doubt. Instead, we simply say, I have a doubt or I have a question. The verb prefer is followed by to, not than. So the correct sentence is, I prefer coffee to tea. Discuss already means talk about, so adding about is incorrect. The right sentence is, let's discuss the topic. These were some of the most common grammar mistakes. Have you ever made any of these? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.